can see loud explosions appearing in the Mississippi sky and the sound of helicopters echoing for hours during a tense chase with a herd of wild boars. Every year, more than 2 million wild boars are destroyed by hunters. If you want to learn about the measures Mississippi hunters have used to control wild boars, please leave a comment number 1. The video shows a farm located in a large field near the border area. A herd of 20 to 30 wild boars appeared, moving into Mississippi City, running in a long line at a speed of 25 miles per hour. They attacked some workplaces, causing many people at the scene to panic when encountering wild boars for the first time. Not stopping there, numerous traffic collisions occurred consecutively on highways at night. In 1 month, there were up to 54 car collisions with wild boars, causing damage to many vehicles. Facing the serious damage situation mentioned above, the government has organized the use of helicopters to deal with the increasing number of wild boars. When the aircraft is in the air, hunters are equipped and ready to respond to any attacks. Using helicopters provides a wide aerial view that helps them detect and approach herds of wild boars moving through forests and wetlands. As the hunting team pursues the boars, the suspense and tension escalate each time wild boars appear. The sound of guns and the rotor blades from the helicopter create a tense atmosphere, where each shot becomes an exciting and daring challenge in such dangerous situations. Hunters must work closely together to deal with aggressive wild boars. In emergency situations, they need to coordinate closely and communicate quickly and accurately to ensure the safety of each person on the team. They must trust each other's skills and cooperation, helping them overcome challenges, especially in dangerous and challenging mountainous forest environments. Hunters need to equip themselves with protective gear, such as helmets, goggles, and body armor, to protect themselves from dangers posed by firearms and the surrounding environment. Additionally, hunters need to comply with legal regulations and have the necessary licenses to participate in hunting activities. When participating in helicopter hunting of wild boars, hunters should wear noise-canceling headphones to minimize the impact of loud noises from both the helicopter and hunting guns. Wearing headphones helps reduce stress and fatigue, protects hearing, and allows hunters to concentrate more on their shooting, thereby hunting by helicopter at night poses many dangers to hunters due to low light conditions. The ability to detect and identify targets is reduced at night. The experienced hunters here have developed highly sophisticated technical skills. From their silent approach to their gun handling, they have taken down hundreds of wild boars, seizing every opportunity on the vast plains of Mississippi. Herds of wild boars run at high speeds to escape the pursuit of hunters. Smoke and dust fly with every movement. It's a race for survival between humans and wild nature. The helicopter's rotor blades have enormous power, shaking every dense canopy of trees in the forest. With a panoramic view from high altitude, hunters can detect herds of wild boars moving swiftly beneath the forest canopy without needing to expose themselves on the ground. The rotor blades are an indispensable tool, providing a superior tactical advantage in hunting activities within forested areas. The training courses for wild boar hunters typically last about 3 months. Throughout the training process, hunters are instructed on how to use firearms accurately and how to handle various situations. Shooting wild boars from airplanes at high altitude requires specialized skills and practical experience. Hunters must coordinate with each other to safely locate and shoot the wild boar herds. In addition, this hunting activity faces opposition from the public due to potential negative impacts on forests, especially when conducted near residential or urban areas. Some argue that hunting is not a form of entertainment or achievement, but an unjust act towards animals. However, it cannot be denied that the process of hunting wild boars by helicopter has helped cities in Mississippi avoid dangerous attacks from these animals. The number of accidents has also decreased by 30% each year. What do you think about this preventive measure? Leave a comment below to support the people of Mississippi. Don't forget to hit the like button for good luck for your family. Please continue watching the video. Recently, not only wild boar attacks but also bear incidents have become a growing concern in California, with reported incidents increasing by 160% from 2021 to 2022, averaging around 1,600 cases, especially around Lake Tahoe in the San Gabriel Mountains. To learn more about these bears, please leave comment number 1. These bears are more bold and aggressive than we've seen before. They break into homes in search of food, compete aggressively for resources, posing a threat to public safety. On the same day, in the early morning, they broke into a store, causing the staff to panic when confronted with these bears. The employees used pots and pans to make noise and drive the bear away. It managed to eat some food before leaving. Following the incident, the store decided to close more frequently to prevent similar situations. Not only did the bear attack a store, but it also attacked an employee in an enclosed breeding area. While they were standing, the bear got up and bit the employee. Fortunately, other employees were able to free the person from the aggressive bear using a stick and a spray can. The damage caused by bear intrusions not only affects the safety of residents, but also impacts California's economy. To address this issue, California farmers and hunters have opted for a more aggressive approach by hunting bears with firearms. However, hunting bears with guns can also lead to unpredictable consequences. Hunters have come up with creative methods to prepare for unexpected encounters with these invasive species by simulating practices with tires or using wooden or metal targets to refine their aiming skills. Additionally, they also prepare various hunting gear to make the hunting experience more enjoyable. Hunters often carry pepper spray to handle unexpected situations when encountering bears. Pepper spray is an extremely effective tool for slowing down and deterring bear attacks, effective within a range of approximately 30 feet. The pepper spray significantly affects the bear's senses, reducing its ability to breathe deeply and preventing it from continuing the attack. An experienced group of hunters and seasoned guides ventured into the wilderness with hunting dogs to track and corner a large bear, despite challenging wind conditions nearly 900 yards away. They quickly devised a strategic approach to cautiously approach the bear. This achievement underscores the importance of teamwork and thorough preparation required for such rigorous hunts in the wilderness of California. Hunters recount a challenging bear hunt that spanned several days, requiring extensive preparation of essential gear. Their campsite included a tent and the convenience of a nearby river for the waterfowl bear hunting season in California, which occurs from August to December. Each hunter is permitted to hunt only one bear during this hunting season. Hunters typically concentrate in the southern regions where bears are most active, especially on specific slopes. During this time, bears actively forage to stockpile food for the winter months. Hunters start their day early, observing signs of bears such as fresh scat, claw marks on trees, and tracking to locate a distant large bear. The hunting team signaled a halt and quietly advanced closer, ensuring the wind carried their scent away to maintain cover. The hunters spread a large amount of sliced meat on the ground in the hope of attracting the bear closer to the hunting spot. When the giant bear appeared and began to focus on the bait, and the hunter immediately fired the first shot. The bullet went straight into the bear's stomach with a loud bang, and the pain from the wound made the bear become a hunter, who immediately reloaded for the final shot to take it down. In addition to firearms, hunters also use bows to increase their chances of success in bow hunting. To attract bears closer to their hunting area, hunters use bait, such as corn. The time that bears spend eating the bait allows hunters to prepare and adjust their shot precisely and carefully, minimizing the risk of attack as they approach. Hunters may employ stealth tactics in tall trees to enhance their success in bear hunting. As you may know, bears are not only feared for their fierce appearance in some countries, but are also revered and protected in others. For instance, in China, bears are considered symbols of the country and are cared for specially. They are known to be gentle and friendly, attracting tourists and boosting the tourism industry significantly. The environmental conservation community and natural preservation activists have spoken out against these hunting activities, arguing that they are inhumane and cause significant harm to biodiversity. They are concerned that excessive hunting could threaten the extinction of bear species. To prevent these issues, they propose that the government implement environmental protection measures such as erecting barbed wire fences around urban areas. The barbs make bears uncomfortable upon contact. If you support hunting with firearms, please leave comment number 1. If you do not support the above measures, please explain your reasons in the comments below. Additionally, if you believe these solutions have positively impacted the prevention of certain invasive species, please share your opinion and other better solutions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support our channel with upcoming videos.